Tired of spending extra time chopping, mixing, scrubbing, and cleaning up in the kitchen? These clever Amazon kitchen gadgets are designed to do the work for you, making cooking faster, easier, and way less stressful. From prep to cleanup, they handle the annoying parts so you can actually enjoy being in the kitchen. All product links are in the description below. Who has time to stand over a pot stirring for 30 minutes straight? This kitchen robot does that for you, combining a stovetop, mixer, chopper, steamer, and kneader into one smart device. It handles the tedious stuff automatically, stirring and sautéing at just the right pace so nothing sticks or burns. With over 200 built-in recipes covering everything from Indian classics to international dishes, there's always something new to try, and fresh recipes get added every week. A smart touchscreen walks you through each step, showing exactly what to add and when. Connect it to your phone, and you can check progress or adjust settings even from another room. It's like having a sous chef who never gets tired. Fresh orange juice in 20 seconds sounds too good to be true, but this juicer makes it happen. Its dual head design and powerful motor extract more juice than typical squeezers, so you waste less and drink more. A built-in cutter slices oranges in half automatically, so there's no knife or cutting board needed beforehand. 2 cone options let you choose pulpy or smooth juice, whatever you prefer. One button controls the whole process. Press to start, press again to pause. Simple as that. Every removable part rinses clean easily, no complicated scrubbing required. It works with lemons, limes, grapefruits, and oranges alike, perfect for juice, cocktails, or a quick dessert topping. Toast might be simple, but getting it exactly right isn't always easy. This toaster takes the guesswork out with a touchscreen display, letting you pick the exact bread type and browning level you want. 10 different bread settings mean bagels, gluten-free slices, and multigrain all come out perfectly toasted, not overdone or too light. 6 browning levels give you full control, so everyone at the table gets their toast just the way they like it. It even offers 4 language options, making it easy to use no matter who's operating it. Sleek matte gray styling with rose gold accents means it looks as good on the counter as it works. Toast, but smarter and exactly to your taste. Dull blades make every kitchen task harder than it needs to be. This sharpener brings knives, scissors, and even axes back to life, with dedicated slots for each. A 3-stage system grinds, then polishes each edge, so blades come out sharp and smooth instead of just sharp and rough. Adjustable speed settings let you match the machine to the blade, whether it's a delicate ceramic knife or a heavy-duty cleaver. Built-in angle guides keep every stroke consistent, taking the guesswork out of finding the right angle by hand. An LCD display shows exactly what's happening, and a removable back panel makes cleaning out metal filings quick. One tool, several jobs, and sharp blades ready whenever you need them. Heavy bread dough shouldn't leave your arms sore the next day. This stand mixer takes over the hard work, with a powerful copper motor built for kneading even thick, dense dough with ease. Despite that power, it runs quietly enough to use any time without disturbing the house. The large 6.5 quart bowl holds enough for a family-sized batch, and 10 speeds plus a pulse mode give you control over everything from delicate meringue to heavy cookie dough. Its planetary mixing action reaches every part of the bowl, so there's no need to stop and scrape by hand. A tilt head design makes adding ingredients simple, and it automatically shuts off power when lifted for safety. Baking day just got a lot easier. No sink hookup? No problem. This countertop dishwasher works with a built-in 5-liter tank or connects straight to your faucet, whichever fits your space. It runs quietly at just 40 decibels, so you can wash dishes during a work call or after everyone's gone to bed without disturbing anyone. 6 programs cover everything from a quick 29-minute wash to a deep 167 degrees Fahrenheit clean for baby items. After washing, it dries dishes with warm air, then keeps ventilating for hours afterward to prevent lingering odors. It's compact enough for countertops in apartments, dorms, or RVs, yet fits over 30 items per load. No installation, no drilling, just plug it in and start washing dishes the easy way. Cafe-quality coffee doesn't need a barista, just a pod and a button. This compact machine brews 6 different sizes, from a quick single espresso to a full 18-ounce coffee, all with one touch. It fits neatly into small kitchens without sacrificing quality, and it makes both hot and iced drinks equally well. Since it's compatible with a wide range of pod flavors, mornings never have to feel repetitive. Made partly from recycled plastic, it's also a better choice for the planet, and used pods can be sent back for recycling too. It even comes with a starter set of pods to get you brewing right away. Simple, fast, and satisfying. It's coffee shop quality without ever leaving home. Cooking 2 different foods at once used to mean 2 different appliances. This air fryer solves that with a removable divider, letting you cook 2 separate dishes side by side at different times or temperatures. Remove the divider and it becomes one large 7-quart zone, big enough for a full roast or a whole family meal. Reaching up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, it handles 6 jobs total: air frying, roasting, broiling, dehydrating, baking, and keeping food warm. That means fewer appliances cluttering your counter and more meals made in one spot. Air frying uses far less oil than deep frying, so you get that crispy texture without the extra grease. Whether it's weeknight dinners or big family meals, this one does it all. Fresh pasta doesn't have to mean hours of kneading and rolling by hand. This machine mixes, kneads, and extrudes dough into fresh pasta in under 10 minutes, ready for 8 different shapes using its included discs. It makes enough for up to 8 servings at once, plenty for a family dinner or a gathering with friends. Beyond pasta, the mixing function also handles cookie dough, pizza dough, or bread, making it useful well past pasta night. Dishwasher safe, non-stick parts mean cleanup afterward is quick and simple. Pair it with the companion app for step-by-step recipes, including vegan and gluten-free options. Whether it's a weeknight dinner or a weekend cooking project, this machine makes homemade pasta actually doable. Breakfast just became an art project. This griddle turns pancakes into colorful creations, complete with templates and batter bottles for drawing shapes, characters, or whatever your imagination comes up with. The non-stick surface acts like a canvas, so batter glides smoothly and designs come out crisp and clean. A cool touch surround keeps hands safe from the hot cooking area, perfect for letting kids join in the fun. Beyond pancake art, it's just as handy for eggs, French toast, or a quick grilled cheese. Its compact size fits nicely on a countertop, ideal for smaller families or kitchens with limited space. Whether it's a fun weekend activity or a fast weekday breakfast, this griddle makes mornings a little more creative. Stir fry without the stirring. Yes, really. This automatic cooking machine rotates a full 360 degrees while cooking, so every ingredient gets evenly tossed and heated without you standing over the stove. The 6.5-liter wok handles family-sized meals, and 3 adjustable angles let you match the motion to whatever dish you're making. Set your timer, walk away, and come back to a finished meal. It works indoors and outdoors, comes with adapters for different setups, and the non-stick inner liner rinses clean in seconds.